Good morning, class 6. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the first video of revision of second chapter, that is component of food. Okay. So in last class we know what is food, what is ingredients. Last chapter everything is discussed. So I will proceed from there. The first term comes is nutrient, means the essential substance that we get from the food is called nutrient. Okay, so after digestion the essential substance that we get from the food is called nutrient. Nutrient includes carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. Five nutrients are carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, proteins and minerals. Carbohydrate and fat, they are energy giving food. Carbohydrate gives instant energy and fat give more energy than carbohydrate, but it takes some time for digestion of the fat. So fat and carbohydrate both are energy giving food. Protein help in growth of the body and it also help in repair of damage in the body. So they are called bodybuilding food. Protein is called bodybuilding food. Vitamins and minerals, they are required by our body in small quantity. That's why, but means they are required in small quantity, but still that is very important for the proper functioning of the body, means it protect us from any diseases. So vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Carbohydrate and fat is called energy giving food, protein is called bodybuilding food and vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Test for the carbohydrate, means carbohydrate is stored in the plants in the form of starch, and to test the presence of starch, take the food material and crush it and few drop of iodine. If the color changes to blue black, then starch is present. Okay, next is test for protein. What you have to do, the food item which you need to test, take the food item, crush it or make a paste of it, take in a test tube. In that test tube add 2 drop of copper sulfate solution and in that again add 10 drop of caustic soda. Mix it properly and leave it for some time. After some time, if the color of the solution change to violet, it means protein is present. Okay, second test. Third is test for fat. How we will test whether there is a fat or not in the food? Take a paper and the sample you need to test, you just place it above that paper. There will be, or crush it, there will be a mark on the paper. Leave it for drying. After some time the spot, if it disappears, then food do not contain fat, but if the spot remains, then the food contains fat. Okay, next, source of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate we get from potato, bread, sugar, sweets. Okay, protein, we get protein from meat, egg, fish, pulses, soybean. Okay, fat we get from sources of fat is oil, ghee, butter. These are the source of fat. Source of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are obtained from the green vegetables, fresh vegetable, fruits are the source of vitamins in our that is source of vitamins in our food. Okay, so we get these things from the means vitamins and minerals we get from the fruits and vegetables. Next topic is dietary fibers. Along with these all nutrient, We also need fibers or roughes. What are roughes? Roughes is the substance which is present in the food that help in proper digestion of the food, and it protect us from constipation or any bowel problem, means stomach problem. So dietary fiber is also important part of our food because it help in proper digestion of the food. Along with this roughes, water is also important for us. Water, it regulate body temperature, it help in transportation of the digestion of the food, and it also help in transportation of different substance within the body. Okay, so next is vitamins. So there are different types of vitamin: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K. Means vitamin B is actually a mixture of different vitamin B complex. Means that's different vitamin B1, B2, B12 is there. So vitamin B is considered as vitamin B complex. Source of vitamin A is papaya, carrot, mango. Papaya, the source of vitamin B is wheat, rice. Source of vitamin C is lemon, oranges, and source of vitamin D is fish, milk. These are the source of vitamin D. So all these things are important for the proper growth of the body. Next is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet. What is diet? A food that we usually eat. The food that we usually eat is called diet. And balanced diet means diet that contains all the essential nutrient in right proportion. Diet that contains all the essential nutrient in right proportion is called balanced diet. Okay, this balanced diet is essential for proper growth of the body. It depends upon the age of the person, sex of the person, and the work of the person. For example, I will give one example. A farmer is 35 and a person is 35 who is working in a multinational company in an office. Farmer work in the farm and the multinational, that person work in office. He sits in front of computer and do work. The food requirement by both are different, because although both are at same age, both are of 35 years, but still the food required by the farmer should contain more carbohydrate, more fat, and the food contained by the person who is working in multinational company should have less carbohydrate, less fat. Okay, so food also varies. That is called balanced diet. Next is deficiency disease. Malfunction means disease that occurs due to lack of one or more nutrient in our body is called deficiency disease. Name of some diseases you have to remember: lack of vitamin A cause night blindness, lack of vitamin B cause beriberi, lack of vitamin C cause scurvy, lack of vitamin D cause rickets, lack of iodine cause anemia, lack of iron cause anemia, and lack of iodine cause goiter. So these are the different deficiency disease that happens due to lack of one or more nutrient in the body. Okay, so hope that's the end of this chapter. Still, if anyone have any problem, you can ask in the morning. Okay, thank you for